Hi, my name is Alex Nieves, a senior psychology student at the USF St Petersburg campus. I'm from Fort Myers, Florida, and I work as a navigator tour guide here. First off, congratulations on your admissions offer to USF. I chose USF St Petersburg campus because of the friendly vibe that the campus offers. When I visited for the first time and walked around, everyone was always smiling and willing to greet you. As soon as I stepped on campus, I could feel the authenticity of students, staff, and faculty. The first day of school, I was wandering around campus and saw a couple of students lounging in hammocks in the trees. I decided to go hang out with them, and they became my roommates to this day. It is so easy to make friends on the smaller campus. With less students in the classrooms, professors are willing to get to know you and check in to make sure you are successful. You also become close with your classmates and can count on each other for extra support. We have a beautiful waterfront campus with kayaks, canoes, and paddleboards that can be rented out completely free to students. You can even take a break on the water between classes. I'd like to invite you to come visit us here. We have daily tours to accommodate your schedule. Can't wait to see you here on campus. Congratulations again, and go Bulls!